All right, now.
No, leave it there. I wanted to not carry it up the hill. You're not following directions. Being a bad listener. I was trying not to carry all the wood up the hill. Stop. We can help you. What are they gonna do? Not everybody has the same type of wooden. Sometimes people have the city built. Alright, good. We're about to walk back up the hill. Alright, guys. Up the hill to the phone. Just run past the phone. Finley, come this way. Just run past the phone all the way up to the propane tank.
Bye.
Alright, don't touch it yet.